welcome to my channel, and to my subscribers, welcome back. Let's tap in with Spirit and see what Spirit has to say today. You question your own existence because you want to experience more of your true self. As you look outward into the world and you view things strictly from a physical perspective, it leaves you wanting more. And that more is a result of you being a spiritual being, having a physical incarnation. It would behoove you to remember that you are both physical and spiritual. There is a duality at play. And we want you to know that because of your spiritual nature, you have the ability to deal with all things physical that you encounter on the earth plane. Many times you think that you do not have what it takes to handle your circumstances and you become stressed. But know that you have a spiritual team that was sent to the earth with you to help you to navigate your path. Many of you question your path, and you have allowed your circumstances to affect how you think about what it is that you came to the earth plane to do. What you came to do was to be an expression of God's love in action. Know that the expression of love varies from person to person. You have but to tap into your heart space in order to know how you need to express it in order to be at your best, most authentic self. Do not allow others to dictate to you how you express love. Tap into it for yourselves. Go into a quiet space and listen for your spiritual team to speak to you in whatever way comes through. Be not afraid. It is as easy as tuning into a frequency, just as you turn on the radio or stream your music. So know that you are a vibration and there are different levels of frequency. And as you vibrate at a certain frequency, you will attract to you those of a similar vibration. So share your love and shine your light in the world and help make it a better place for all. Be at peace and at oneness with all of life. Peace be unto you, goodwill towards man. Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and share it out. And drop down in the comments and let me know what you think. Peace. See you in the next video.